find my way.
Hey family, welcome back. I hope you're doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dassah, MsTopacJay. So in today's video, as you babes can tell by the title, I always talk so fast sometimes. Honestly, anyway, as you can tell by the title of this video, I want to attempt to recreate this cloud makeup that's been going all around social media and whatnot. And literally, Nikki Tutorials uploaded a video about this, I think yesterday or 2 days ago, or maybe today. I just watched it today. I don't know when she uploaded it. I didn't even look at when she uploaded it. But I watched the tutorial and I'm like, okay, I think I can do this. So I kind of thought, let me try it out and let me turn on the camera just in case it turns out okay. So that's why we're here. So this is the makeup look right here, and she posted it on her Instagram as well. And she said she was inspired by NZ Rengel. And I actually initially saw the photo on Twitter when someone tagged Manny MUA and said that she created the look with his palette. Now I don't know where that tweet is. It's all gone. So it's a cloud makeup and it's mainly blue eyeshadow. Literally, I think Nikki mainly used like 2 blue eyeshadows, one light one deep one, and then a white liner and another liner, and then she drew stars, which is going to be a little bit of a challenge. The way the cloud was created looks easy enough. We can do this, right? So we're gonna try and do this. We can do it. Anyway, if you yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out a lot. Subscribe by pressing subscribe button down below, and when you've done so, please make sure notifications turned on so that way you don't miss out any single video from me. And if you do like this video while you're watching it, before you start watching it, or by the time you finish watching it, you do like it, please don't forget to slap that thumbs up button and just give this video a thumbs up so I can know you babes enjoy this video, and it would really help me out a lot as well, and signal out to YouTube that you'll like what I'm putting out. Okay, so without further ado, why did I just shout? I don't know, I'm nervous, but I'm not really very nervous, but I am nervous. Anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All right, here we go. You are closer. Anyway, I am nervous, so I had to rummage through my collection to kind of find blue eyeshadow. And I remember that I had picked up this palette a long time ago when I was planning to do the full face of black owned makeup products that I never filmed, which I should film. You guys put fire under my ass and make me film it. I need to film that video. Anyway, I bought this palette back then because of that reason, and I haven't used it since. And I'm talking about the Black Radiance Eye Appeal Shadow Collection. It looks like so. This is the one called Island Blues, and it has some blues in there and some grays or whatnot at the top as well. So I can't remember exactly what Nikki did in the video, to be honest with you, but I do know that she is way lighter than I am. I'm black, she white. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my lid with a Colourpop No Filter concealer in the shade Fair 00. I wonder if any other black girl has done this look yet. I'm also bringing the concealer to my brow bone as well. So I'm gonna grab a small blending brush. This is by Ovoni. I would use the Shop Miss A, but it needs to be cleaned. Okay, let's just go into the Black Radiance palette and pick up this light blue shade. Ooh, that is pigmented. I haven't used this since I bought it. Okay, I think we're gonna stamp it in the crease area and then all over the lid. And I did not set the concealer. My stomach just growled. Even my stomach know we're nervous. All right, okay, I think that's good. I'm just gonna go do the other eye. All right, so here we go. It's now on the other side, and I believe what Nikki Tutorials did next was they should pick up another lighter shade again, light blue shade, I think. And then she said something about scratching the edge of the light blue shade that's already in the crease, and I'm like, scratch? I haven't heard that when it comes to describing makeup. Anyway, so she says scratch, so I'm just gonna pick up, you know, still the light blue shade, and just scratch the edge. Scratch it. Never heard that before. I mainly hear that when it comes to like L'Oreal ticket or whatever. Not with eyeshadow, but we're just gonna roll with it. You know, the beauty community is something that keeps changing, especially when it comes to terminologies and whatnot. So let's just roll with it. Let's scratch it. Am I scratching, Nikki? I can hear the scratch. I'm just blending the edge, man. That's the main thing that I'm doing. I don't know what the scratch is coming from. I'm just blending the edge of the crease. Okay, so now we've diffused the edge of the shadow. I'm gonna go into this one right here. It's more on a lighter blue. This one right here, see, this one is deeper than this. So I'm just gonna go into this, and I'm going to put this in my crease area, like where the crease bone is. Okay, here we go. I don't know if that made any difference. Oh, who did I probably see this? It's not the same. It's okay. We're just gonna look up and just focus on one eye. Okay. So yeah, so now it looks like we have like deep blue color in the lid. So I don't really have much deep blue colors. This is the only deep blue color that we have. So let's just stamp this. Still using the one brush. I like looks that I only need one brush for, literally. I'm just gonna stamp this in the outer corner, but I'm kind of gonna do it in like a inverted V shape. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna stamp it right here. So the closest thing I have to a white liner right now is the Colourpop No Filter concealer. So that's what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using a concealer brush by MsTopacJay. This is the AOA Studio E131 concealer brush. It needs to be clean, but there's no color in there, it's just stained. So I'm going to use this to pick up the concealer, and I'm going to stamp it in my crease, kind of making the cloud shape instead of dragging it. And because I have hooded eye, once I place this down, I need to keep looking down so it doesn't like transfer up. Oh Lord, I don't think this concealer brush is giving me cloud. Give me cloud, man. Oh no. Is that enough cloud? I think this concealer brush was too big. Oh, I should have pressed it in. I don't know what this is. It's something. I need a really deep blue shade. It really needs to be deep. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with that deeper blue in the Black Radiance palette again and just attach it here. Just on the edge of our blob of a cloud. That is not staying. Oh, damn it. You know what? I'm gonna put a concealer down right here so you can have something to attach to. There we go. Ooh, okay, cool. Before our cloud dries, I need the concealer brush again. I'm just gonna wipe it and grab a white shade. Is it white? Yes. I'm gonna grab the white shade in the Revolution Regeneration Trend Mischief palette. This one right here. It's called Saint, and I'm just gonna use this to set the concealer to give us our white cloud. Oh Lord, this is not picking up. This is not the time to play me. Do not play me, sister. Okay, there we go. All right. It's not as smooth as Nikki's, but life is too short. So I'm just gonna grab a small smudger brush. This is the E133 brush, and put the blue shade on my lower lash line as well. But before I do that, I'll just put the Colourpop concealer there real quick. Okay, so here we go. So here's where the other fun is. She then went ahead and drew stars. This is gonna be hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna grab the Colourpop concealer again, grabbing the tiny pencil brush, the E134 brush by AOA Studio, and just put a few dots randomly because it's a cloud with stars, honey, isn't it? That's too big. Oh Lord. I'm just gonna grab the white powder with my finger and just dab it on it so it can stay white. I just messed this up. Okay, we just have to make do and just stay with that. This is where God says, you have done enough, my child, you know? I imagine God has an African accent. Ooh, I'm gonna go and do the other eye and I will be right back. All right, here we are. The look is all done. I basically went off camera and applied lashes, and also put the Revolution Pro highlighter, this one right here, and I put this shade in my inner corner and also in my brow bone, mixed with a little bit of that blue shadow as well. And I lined my waterline with the Inglot No. 77 Gel Liner, the AMC Gel Liner. And I applied mascara, the little bit that I can, and it's stained, but I'm just gonna ignore it anyway. I've been away for about an hour now because I was on, like, you know, FaceTime with my friend and Elizabeth and just chatting away. But yeah, I think I'm a little bit, just a little bit impressed with what I did. I'm a little bit gutted that I chose to do it around midnight, which means I have to wipe this off now. I mean, I was looking at Nikki's look, and hers look more clear than mine is, and mine just looks like a cluster fudgesicle, you know what I mean? Like, it just looks really clustered. The stars are botched and whatnot. Her stars look really clean, but you know what? This is my first time, and practice makes almost perfect in my case. So I will try it again. I think next time I might try with black. Imagine what black would look like on the lid. Ooh, My back is so itchy. What the heck is going on? Yeah, what do you guys think? And by the way, a special shout out to this palette for helping me today. Literally, I can't believe I've had this palette for a year, about actually 2 years, and I haven't used it. Maybe I used it for like half a second, but I didn't really use it. But honestly, these shadows work well for me. I mean, there was kick up and whatnot, and there was fallout on my face. I mean, I still had to like put shade down so that way it can really stay on my lid, but it's still popping though, isn't it? Yeah, so thanks Black Radiance. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me almost kind of making a fool of myself, but kind of coming out at the end a little bit, but not really. I just hope you enjoyed this video anyway. I hope this inspired you to try something you haven't tried before. Even if it doesn't turn out great, at least it will turn out good. So mine is good. It's not great, you know? Good, better, best. We shall never rest until my good is better and my better's best. I just remember that from school. Hey, good, better, best. We shall never rest until our good is better and our better's best. Okay, so right now I'm in the good stage. I'm going to get to better and then I'm going to get to best. And I hope I inspire you to do that as well. Today's female notification is Big Sexy Slim. Thank you so much for watching my video. Your name literally was a tongue twister. It took me longer to get there. But thanks for your support. Thank you so much for keeping your notification turned on. I appreciate you, babe. And thank you so much, fam. I appreciate the lot of you as well. And as I said earlier, thank you so much for watching. As always, whatever you do to love yourself. And by God's grace, I hope I see you in my very next video. Bye. And I know you got someone next to you, so I won't waste money and time. Hey, so tell me, are you thinking about me? The way I'm thinking about you. If it gets me back to you, so tell me, are you thinking about me? The way I'm thinking about you. 'Cause I'm thinking about you. Results is out. It's not out. What are you talking about? Main results is out. Hang on, guys. Main results is out. 1 second. Can I even do this? Okay, let me put this down. Come on, this is so freaking slow. Hey, where do you check again? I can't see the bloody thing. Oh, I hate this thing. Oh my god, I can't find it. Oh, I got the station. Oh wow. Yay! Congratulations to us, we passed! Ah! I don't understand. I don't. Listen, I watched our video and I was just laughing. I know. Our voice is so thick.
But don't you understand the price or the design? The price and the design is even so boring. It's the way the models are standing. It's so boring. It's not getting me excited. Can we go shopping for dresses? I'm shopping on Pretty Little Thing. Well, I haven't found anything online. They all look boring.
Oh, Binge, I was saying that. Goal, better, best. You should never rest until our goal is better and our better is best. Okay, goal, better, best. Hey, we should never rest until our goal is better. That was hilarious. Today's feminine notification is Big Sexy Slim. Big Sexy Slim. That name is funny. Today's feminine notification is Big Sex. Today's feminine notification. My boob is bouncing. I don't have it brown, but nobody cares because I'm happy. Hey, I'm definitely gonna get a boob job. Okay, bye.